For easy access to GMetrix, we recommend that you install it to your Windows computer or laptop. If this is not possible, then GMetrix is available to use on university computers. So GMetrix is designed for the Windows platform, and to install it to your own device, go to www.gmetrix.net/download and install the latest version of GMetrix SMS for Windows to your device. This downloads the GMetrix icon to the desktop of your device. And to use GMetrix, we recommend that you always open it using the desktop icon. Just a couple of things to note here. You must have Microsoft Office 2016 installed on your device in order to run the GMetrix practice tests. As a member of the university, you can install for free Microsoft Office 2016 to your devices if you haven't already got it. And you can do this through your Microsoft Office 365 account with the university. If you cannot install GMetrix to your own device, then you can access it on a university computer. So to do this, just log into the computer and from the Start button, choose GMetrix from the list of programs and choose GMetrix Skills Management System. Now a note for Mac users. As I've mentioned, GMetrix is designed for the Windows platform, but due to COVID-19, GMetrix have created some practice tests for Mac users. And whilst the layout is not the same as the exam layout, it does at least provide you with the chance for some MOS study. So Mac users should download the latest version of GMetrix SMSE for Mac, and then they'll be able to access the selected practice tests. This doesn't affect your ability to sit the online MOS exams, as they take place on a virtual machine, so it doesn't matter if you have a Windows or a Mac device. You're now ready for step 2, which is creating a GMetrix account.